Hello everyone. So today I received my package from daraz and let's check out the beautiful earrings that I had ordered to wear with my Eid dress. So this I have ordered from a small local business. Look at the packaging, it's very interesting. And let's check out the beautiful earrings. These earrings are so special because these are made by a girl. She makes them herself. So these are very beautiful DIY handmade earrings with beads and pearls and crystals. So this is the other color and a maroon one. Awesome. I love all of them actually. They're all so beautiful. And this is the pearl one. Pearls are my most favorite earrings. And the last was in the black color. It has some shiny crystals in it. So it's very beautiful. And so you can order them from the daraz online app. And here are these 5 beautiful earrings that I ordered. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.